Hi, my name's Kenny Ingram, and I'm here today to create a video for you on creating a business plan. Why do we need to create a business plan? For example, if you have a business and you want to create an income, you got to have a plan to get there, an action plan, ways to describe how you're going to achieve that goal. Just like setting goals, if you have a long term goal, you break it up into small pieces and do those small pieces daily so that they contribute to the whole goal. The business plan is kind of like if you go to a bank and try to get a loan for the business. First thing they're going to ask you is, do you have a business plan? Do you have a projection of what you're going to do for the next 5 years? Do you have proof of income? Do you have ideas of how you're going to get income? So it's important to have a business plan for yourself, even if you're not trying to get a loan for the bank, because that way you know where you're going. You have idea of what you're trying to target, and I would like to give you some ideas on what you should include in your business plan. First of all, your target market. If you're selling bath products or beauty products, you're going to want to target men or women that are interested in that product. Target market could be age difference, people of younger ages, older ages. Target market could be people that are retired, people that are of a certain generation. So that way, when you start advertising, you know what market you're trying to reach, and you can advertise in mediums that reach that market. So that's very important. You need to know what your target market is. You need to know what's most important to your customer when they're buying what you're selling. For example, if you can tap into problems that they're having that are related to your product, then you can answer that problem. And you can explain to them that buying your product will resolve that problem. You have a solution to their problem. So it's important to figure out what your customers are looking for, what they might be online searching for. You need to pick a business model, whether it's through Amazon selling products and getting paid product commissions, or if it's your own website where you drive people to your website and have them sign up for a newsletter, or if you have services that you're trying to promote, or if you're into affiliate marketing and you want to get paid commissions from selling affiliate products. There's a whole plethora of things that you can choose from. So it's very important to choose your business model. Next, you got to look at the products you sell or promote. Are those products alternatives to going to college? Are they alternatives to something that your potential customer is doing that will benefit them more so that they can save time and save money? Or is it a product that people will be searching for that's in high demand? Is it a product that will enable them to jump ahead in their lives several years with the education or services that you offer? Next, you need to describe how you'll convert leads into sales. Are you going to use a sales funnel that offers low ticket items and then has like a one-time offer after they purchase the product with a higher ticket item, and then several other one-time offers after that that continue to increase in high ticket products? Or are you going to do like webinars? Are you going to do video webinars where you invite people to your webinar and have a little sales pitch on the webinar? Or are you just going to use your website and collect leads and send emails to your leads? You need to know how you're going to convert leads into sales. Then next, you need to know where your ideal customer hangs out. Are they a social media person where they hang out on Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, Instagram, or somewhere like that? Are they more business oriented, like on LinkedIn where you can promote to their business? Are they on forums, looking for answers to their questions on certain forums? Are they in business groups? You need to know where your ideal customer hangs out, especially if you're ticketing high ticket items. You want to figure out how you can reach those people easier, because your high ticket items aren't going to sell to people that are looking for freebies or ways to promote affiliate marketing, for example, to sign up for free and make a sale and make $10. You need to figure out where that higher ticket customer is, and try to approach them in a way that will serve you better and save you time as far as getting leads. Then you need to decide what your strategies are going to be, your marketing strategy. YouTube is free. It's a good uh, avenue for you to pursue if you're good on getting in front of the camera, or if you do like Camtasia where you just record your screen, you can do it that way. Or you can even do a PowerPoint presentation and just talk in the background if you don't want to show anybody your face. You can use blogs and just post to your blog and make your blog articles indexed through the search engines. You need to figure this out. You need to adapt and pick one to start with. Don't go and start doing like solo ads and uh, all these other things all at once, because you're going to just get overloaded with information. You should try to implement one, get started with it, and feel good. Get it generating traffic and leads, and then take on the pursuit of another paid marketing strategy. Maybe you could advance into Facebook ads or something like that, or Google ads, or YouTube ads, Twitter ads. And that's when you actually need to figure out what your budget's going to be. You need to sit down and figure out how much you can afford each month. If you can't have a advertising budget, then you need to figure out a way for you to make that budget. Cut back on some things that you're doing, or get a second income stream to help pay for that advertising. But you need to have like $500,000, $10,000, what you're going to choose to spend in advertising each month. Then you need to figure out what tools you're going to use. If you're just promoting from your website, then all you need is a domain name, register it, have a hosting, create your website, and start marketing. If you're using affiliate marketing or some type of other sales platform, then you're going to need an autoresponder, sales funnel that can capture the person's name and email, video recording software. And of course, you're going to need the right mindset. You're going to have determination to persevere and continue when things don't look good. You got to know that whatever you're doing is going to snowball in effect towards your goal. And failure is going to be a lesson for you to go forward and learn from each failure what to do or what not to do. So tools are very important. And then you need to know what skills you have. Like if you have good copywriting skills and you can write an awesome sales email, then you need to figure out how you're going to take advantage of your copywriting skills in your business. Or you might have the skill of placing ads on YouTube, Facebook, knowing how to generate good ads. And as an example, I am actually a web designer. I have had a social media business, so my skill set is creating landing pages, creating websites, and marketing on social media. If you're not good at that, then you might want to outsource that to somebody. You need to put that in your business plan. You need to figure that out. You're going to have to need a budget of what your first year is going to look like, how much you plan to make on your first year, whether it's $5,000, $10,000, or a monthly income, if you want to make $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month. And then, of course, your 1 year financial goal, whether it's $100,000 or $700,000. You need to sit down and put that in business plan. So with all that written down, you've got a head start on a lot of people that just go from program to program thinking, oh, this is going to be my savior. And they never write a business plan. They never have a plan. They never have a goal. You can revise your business plan to however you need it, but you need to look at it often and remind yourself what your goals are with the business. I've actually run into situations where I've done affiliate marketing and didn't put a business plan together, and of course I failed. I, I, I left the company and went to another company thinking that, oh, this one will work, this one will work. And I've actually been involved with a company now called Legendary Marketing that is totally blowing me away because of the fact that they actually give you ideas on business plans, how to promote your business. They get you the education that you need to promote your business. They give you ideas on how to do sales funnels, how to promote not only an affiliate marketing business, but your own business. If you're into Amazon or something like that, they help you promote your business that way. It's not just for affiliate marketing. So I highly encourage you to get involved in their 15-day challenge. Their challenge is awesome. It actually goes through the business plan setup. It explains sales funnel. It kind of gives you an idea of uh, thinking about where you want to go, what you want to do with your business. So I highly encourage you to take a look at it and look forward to hearing from you. Leave a comment at the bottom. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified of future videos. Hit the like button if you liked it, or leave me a comment. I look forward to hearing back from you, and I am so excited that you have decided to start a business.